Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to add behavior in our image and text in Camtasia Studio. So let's get started. In the video bin section, we already add a sample video and image. Now I simply drag our sample video in timeline. This is our sample video. In our annotation tab, we see different type of shape available. By clicking all, we can see all shape available in Camtasia Studio. Suppose we add this one. Simply drag it into your timeline. To edit this text, simply double click on this. Now our text is highlighted. Type whatever you want. Now I scratch it a little bit and drag it here. Now in the behavior section, we see there are different type of behavior available. Fade, jump to fall, pop-up, reveal, sliding, etc. This time we add the sliding behavior. To add sliding behavior in this text, simply drag it and put it here. Our behavior is successfully added in our text. Let's play how it looks.
Hey, I've got something hot. As far as I know, this right here is one of the world's first unboxing videos of this.
Here you see we successfully add sliding behavior in our text. In behavior there are three portions. The beginning of the portion is called in, the middle one is during, and the end portion of the behavior is called out. We can change these three parts of behavior. To change the beginning of this behavior, simply go to the properties section. Here we see the in tab. We can change our starting behavior. We can change the type, movement, duration, also can change speed, and also can change offset. In the during section of this behavior, we also can change style, type, movement, opacity, loop time, offset, and delay. In the same way, in the out tab, we can change the end of the behavior by changing this. We change a little bit of this behavior. Let's play how it looks.
Today, I've got something hot. As far as I know, this right here is one of the world's first unboxing videos of this actual device. It's from Honor and it's called the 6X.
So in this way, we can easily customize our behavior. Suppose we don't like this behavior anymore. Now we need to remove this behavior from this text. To do this, simply right click on this text and click remove and select all effect. We successfully remove behavior from this text. To add another, simply click any of these and drag it here.
I've got something hot. As far as I know, this right here is one of the world's first unboxing videos of this actual device. It's from Honor and it's called the 6.
As the same before, we can change the behavior from the properties section. So in this way, we can easily add different type of behavior in our text. Now we add an image in our video. To add an image, I simply go to media bin and then drag it in our canvas, or you can simply add in your timeline. Now I drag this a little bit here. If we want to add behavior in this picture, then simply click on behavior and simply drag it here or drag this in your timeline. We successfully add behavior in our picture. What we do before in text, in the same way we can customize picture behavior from the properties section. I change this a little bit. Let's play how it looks.
Part here is you are looking at top specifications for a price that's unheard of. This baby right here.
So guys, in this easy way we can add different type of behavior in our edited text and picture. Thanks for watching.